Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram avatar. So first, you need to open the Instagram application, tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom left corner of your screen, and this will open your profile page. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top, and then select the avatar icon. Then select the edit avatar from the bottom of the screen. This will open the avatar. Tap on the drop-down menu in the top right corner of the screen. So for that, you need to go ahead and switch your profile picture to your avatar and tap on it. Then tap on your avatar again. Select the three dots in the top right corner and select delete avatar. Select delete again to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.